you.
Congratulations, for the second part. So tell me first thing, जब ये second part offer हुआ and you came to know that अब आपको इसमें start करना है, what was the feeling and were you surprised? Did you know कि ये होने वाला है?
See, obviously हमें ये नहीं पता था कि सेकंड पार्ट भी हम बनाने वाले हैं, बिकॉज व्हेन वी वर अबाउट टू मेक द फर्स्ट पार्ट वी न्यू ऑल द स्टोरी, वी लव्ड इट एंड लेकिन हमें ये नहीं पता था कि ऑडियंस इतना पसंद करेगी, इसे इतना प्यार देगी कि दे विल बी डिमांडिंग फॉर अनदर पार्ट. बिकॉज व्हेन दिस केम ऑन एयर, ब्लाइंड लव पार्ट 1, एवरीबडी वाज लाइक व्हाट नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग मोर, वी वांट टू नो मोर अबाउट रोहन एंड नैना एंड वी वांट द सेकंड पार्ट. तो इतना ज़्यादा ऑडियंस डिमांड था दैट वी एक्चुअली केम अक्रॉस दिस 2.0 Blind Love, and this is why we are here today, because of all those fans, die-hard fans of Blind Love and Rohan and Naina. और I'm just so amazed by their feedback and I really wish and hope कि अब उन्हें ये भी पसंद आए.
Shagun, anything you want?
Ma'am, first of all, the biggest challenge for us was to make a story that is equally interesting और जो पहले वाले का लेवल ऊपर ही लेके जाए और ऑडियंसेस को उतना ही एंटरटेन करे जितना पहले हम लोगों ने किया है. तो पहले तो पूरी टीम बैठी और एक अच्छी सी स्टोरी, एक विजन बनाया गया हमारे डायरेक्टर और हमारे राइटर्स के साथ. उसके बाद वो एग्जीक्यूशन पे आई एंड देन जैसा हमने बार बार कहा है कि सच ए नाइस लवली एक माहौल है और उसके बाद चीज़ें प्यार से होती हैं और अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें बनती हैं. तो बस वही हुआ है ब्लाइंड लव 2 के साथ एंड वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड. और हमें बिल्कुल नहीं पता था कि ब्लाइंड लव 1 के बाद हमें इतना प्यार मिलेगा एंड वी आर होपिंग कि
उसमें शगुन ने काम ही इतना कमेंडेबल किया है कि nobody could resist कि नहीं we want to see him more, we want to see him more.
Alisha Panwar was starring in Blind Love 1 and उसकी वजह से audiences came and then
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. People loved the chemistry of Rohan and Naina and they loved you in it because I have been seeing the comments and everything that he has worked so good in Blind Love 1 and the Rohan is looking so good and so nice and the chemistry is looking so nice. So हमारे जो डायरेक्टर हैं प्रदीप सर, उन्हें लगा कि इन्हें दोबारा साथ लाना चाहिए और फिर कुछ बनाना चाहिए.
So this is, we are back on public demand and we made sure we give you a content which is worth a watch. Yeah.
So as you rightly said, of course, story, and then there's an on-screen chemistry, which is also the USP. So I wanted to ask you that did you people initially knew each other या फिर इसके through ही आपका मिलना और जान पहचान?
See, we knew each other पहले से. We just knew each other. हम बहुत अच्छे से एक दूसरे को नहीं जानते थे या we had not worked ever before this, but we got the chance through Blind Love only to know each other well and to work together. But हमेशा सिर्फ सुना था शगुन के बारे में अपने because we are from like North India, so I had heard about him but never got a chance to know him well. So through Blind Love I got to know him and he's a phenomenal human being, I would say. जितना अच्छा एक्टर है उससे कहीं ज़्यादा अच्छा इंसान है और I genuinely mean that.
Thank you.
So it was lovely knowing him.
So there's a fun fact I'll tell you. Alisha has done a body of work and which is, be it Marjava or now what she's doing Jindri and of course Blind Love to hai. We've been in touch. We've never had a conversation or we've started struggling and trying to make our ways here in this industry back there from Chandigarh. She used to travel all the way from Shimla to Chandigarh to audition and I used to work there as an assistant and I used to be behind the camera and I used to record her auditions which she doesn't know because she never ऐसा मतलब
He told me काफी बाद में, मुझे भी Blind Love के वक्त पता चला कि you were there, you
yeah.
took my audition.
So the live
surprising for me as well.
Yeah, and I still have those auditions.
Oh shit. So don't delete them.
So it has been like that कि अब आप देखें तो जब चंडीगढ़ में मैं इनके ऑडिशन ले रहा था पर जब सब चले जाते थे तो फिर मैं ऑडिशन करता था. Then she did बेगूसराय, right?
Yeah.
And बेगूसराय का सेट था और ऑपोजिट में मेरे पहले शो का सेट था संतोषी माँ. So फिर भी हम कभी नहीं मिले. और उसके बाद then Blind Love happened and lot of
because we were destined to meet through Blind
Love. And अब जब
रोहन एंड नैना
जी जब चीज़ें होनी होती है तो वो कैसे होती हैं, ये एक एग्जाम्पल है उसका. एंड नाउ रोहन एंड नैना, और हमें कभी ऐसा भी नहीं हुआ कि एक दूसरे के साथ बहुत ही केमिस्ट्री बिठानी पड़ी और वी आर वर्किंग और द डायरेक्टर हैज़ टू गेट इनटू आवर केमिस्ट्री. इट वाज ऑल वेरी नाइस और बहुत प्यार से हुआ. सो ये जो चीज़ें होनी होती है वो हो जाती है. एंड ब्लाइंड लव इज अ प्रोडक्ट.
इसलिए शगुन को ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई केमिस्ट्री एंड ऑल में. मैं बहुत सुलझी हुई और क्या
वेरी बबली एंड शी has a lot of energy.
थोड़ी और
She's a lot of energy. वो तो सच है ना पर she has a lot of energy and she's very bubbly and she'll always take things with positivity.
अच्छा, बस,
She doesn't get stuck on कि अभी ऐसा ही करना है. She's always been flexible, तो it helps. And आप Blind Love 1 देख सकते हैं और आप 2 भी देख सकते हैं 17 तारीख को.
हाँ, बहुत मजा आया शूट करने में.
What was the give and take as an actor when you were performing scene? You know, what was the chemistry and especially the give and take as an actor? कितना help किया एक दूसरे को as an actor?
Obviously बहुत help किया because whenever you talk about chemistry, it is not just how you're seen together on screen. It is also about how you're working together on set, and it is always the give and take. अगर मैं अपना 100% देती थी तो यहाँ से भी शगुन की तरफ से भी पूरा उसका बेस्ट शॉट आता था, and I think that was the thing which made it more easy. We always were on the same page. We used to rehearse together. We used to do lines at times, and जब हम shoot करते थे तो at times there were his suggestions that you were helpful for me. At times there were my suggestions which were helpful for the scene. So we always took that in a positive manner, and it was a healthy environment. And as he said कि मुश्किल नहीं हुई chemistry बिठाने में because we were on the same page, and it just happened.
We are both actors जो हम इस project पे आए and we are all dedicated to this and हाँ तो वो chemistry इसीलिए निकल के आई है because हम even
actually feel our characters.
Yeah.
That's the reason.
Yeah, and also before shooting, before last night, we kept on rehearsing together.
Yes.
And
I didn't sleep. I did not sleep.
So she rehearsed, and it was by the time we were done rehearsing, इनका वक्त हो गया था to get ready, and because she has to get her hair done in a certain way, and then she has to done her costumes and all that.
He slept for 3-4 hours.
Yeah,
not much.
Yeah.
And I didn't sleep at all.
But it came out really well, and we are very happy, and we are glad.
We got a good product, so that's all we needed.